Have you ever walked past a beautiful stepped water fountain and thought, it's just for decoration? What if I told you that same fountain is silently cleaning water while you admire it? Sounds surprising, right? Let's imagine this. You're in a peaceful park. Water is flowing down a series of steps, making that calming sound we all love. People are sitting nearby, enjoying the view, clicking pictures, and for most of us, it's just a beautiful scene. But in reality, something much more important is happening. Each drop of water falling from one step to another is actually working like a mini treatment system. This structure is called a cascade aerator, and it's not just designed for beauty, but for purpose. You see, when water flows over these steps, it doesn't just move, it breaks, splashes, and mixes with air. And this simple action adds oxygen into the water. Why is that important? Because oxygen is life for water. It helps remove bad smells, supports good bacteria, and improves overall water quality. Without enough oxygen, water can become stagnant, dirty, and lifeless. Now think again about those step fountains you see in parks, hotels, or even near lakes. We often feel they are just for decoration, but in many cases, they are quietly helping the water stay fresh and healthy. That's the beauty of engineering, when function and design come together so naturally that we don't even notice the science behind it. Now let's understand a little deeper, but in a simple way. A cascade aerator works mainly because of turbulence. As water falls from each step, it creates tiny bubbles and splashes. This increases the contact between air and water, allowing more oxygen to dissolve. And here's where design becomes important. The height of each step decides how strongly water falls. The flow rate controls how much mixing happens. The number of steps increases the chances of aeration. And the way water spreads on each step creates the right amount of turbulence. Even a small change in these factors can affect how much oxygen gets added. And not just oxygen, this process can also help remove unwanted gases like carbon dioxide or hydrogen sulfide, which are responsible for bad odor in water. So what looks like a simple flowing fountain is actually a carefully designed system working silently. Now, here's something to think about before you leave this video. The next time you see a cascade fountain, ask yourself this: is it just decoration? Or is it an engineered system designed to improve water quality? Because the truth is, it's both. And that's what makes a cascade aerator so fascinating. It's not just water flowing down steps, it's science hidden inside beauty, working in every single drop. If you think you understood everything, watch this video one more time. You might have missed some important technical insights. And for more practical wastewater knowledge, make sure to subscribe.